Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing Q3 of the weekly contest 385, most frequent prime. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, give me some love, let me know what you think about this one. So this one, I don't think it's too tricky. The key thing to read correctly, which I don't think I did all the time, is this part that you cannot change direction. So it's just like a straight line thing. And I think you could, I don't know, like that's just me anyway. Um, and the other thing to note is that R and C, which is why I call the row and columns, it's up to six. So what that means is that the biggest number is 6 nines, which is a little bit under a million, right? So that's one thing that you may observe. And from that, there are a couple of things, right? One is that it's only a 6 by 6 matrix, so there's 36 cells, and each of them have at most 8 direction. So what's it, 36 times 8? I don't know what it is, right? 40 times 10 is 400, so it's less than 400 things. You're fine, right? Like 400, and then you times 6 maybe, so it's like 2400 for total, like checked. So that part is fine, right? We don't worry about checking 2500 numbers to see if they're prime, but of course it goes up to like a million. So that's where the tricky part comes in, is that we need to use CIF, and this is my CIF. I sometimes I get questioned about whether I have a template for this. This is the template, I guess, in a way. I write it from memory. It's pretty straightforward, though I had a typo here, so maybe I should have copied it from template. But yeah, this is a prime CIF. So definitely, for today, I am not going to go over this. This is a little bit of a number theory. It is a necessary part of this problem, but yeah, this is just like one of those things that if you are interested about it, I implore you to just Google it. There are like people have done pretty visualizations and stuff like that. I'm not gonna go into it right in this video anyway. Maybe I'll do a separate video at some point. But so yeah, so people have done pretty videos about this. So I'm not gonna get into it. So yeah, so that's the prime CIF, and basically what it does is that it allows us to populate an array, which tells us whether prime sub j is or prime sub I or whatever is a prime or not. And here everything else is honestly not that interesting. This is not that interesting of a problem per se. It's just that now you have for x for y, so starting point for each direction, one of the 8 directions. And I actually had a typo here that luckily was caught by the test case, and so I didn't have to eat a wrong answer. But yeah, but this is just shift and add. You take the you shift, you add, you double check the criteria that is greater than 10 and that is a prime number, and you increment by 1 for that frequency, right? And then you just keep on going, and then you keep going while you're inbound. And next, hopefully you can hear my next door karaoke, which is fine. I mean, I enjoy it, but maybe the video is not so good. But yeah, for this one, then it is just, if if nothing shows up, then we turn -1. Otherwise, we get the max value, and we tie break by choosing the highest k, the highest key, and that's pretty much it. So prime CIF, this is actually max log max for a million. So that's basically the thing. Everything else we already talked about with like R times C times A times R, or times max of R times C, or times R or C. So I'll just write it out, right? Of R times C times A times max of R C or something like this. It's fine, right? R and C is like 6, and these are just linear things. I guess in this case it could have as many numbers as you generated here. So again, like 2500 or so. I mean, 25 is an upper bound, right? You could do the math more precisely, really. But yeah. So nothing else to really be concerned about, or worried about, unless you have some typos here, which I did. And that's pretty much it. And so it's this plus, the time of the CIF. And you could kind of bound this CIF based on R and C, but I don't know. It's just very easy to make mistakes, so I just kind of chose it to be a million. Who wants to be a millionaire? So anyway, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me show you the beginning here. And here, and that's it. Let me know what you think. And also, one last thing is that I put this outside the loop so that it only calculates once for all the test cases. It's a little bit of a hack. It's a little bit of, but we blame Leetcode for not making that more easy. So I don't know. It is what it is for multi-input cases. But yeah, let me know what you think. That's all I have. Stay good, stay healthy, and you could watch me solve it live in the contest next. Let's go. Body cards. 119, 191. Seems pretty straightforward, but a little bit awkward. Okay, with 6. About to do a shift, right? 6 digits is what, a million? Yeah, okay. Do I do it in place? Fine, let's go. Right. Yeah, right. I forgot how to do it in Python. I forget how to do it. Oh, our range. Whoops. That's not the same. I just wasn't paying attention. Okay, so that actually works, I suppose. I'm just being dumb. I didn't even read the other message. Okay, fine. Okay, that's good. And now we just kind of, this is the best way to do it. Okay. I feel like other people have templates for the prime stuff, but that's fine, I guess. Is this even right? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, fine. Why is that? Okay. Okay. This is terrible. And then what do we do? Most frequent. What if it's multiple, largest multiple? Okay. -1's 47. So that's good that I got it well. 47 twice. Why? That's probably not right? Start at 4 7's 1 3. Why do I have that twice? Do I have this one? I do have this one. Why do I have this one? Because I have this one. That's a very lucky debug, actually. I don't know that this is an easy eyeball to make. I wrote that in a really weird way. Just print out real quick, since I'm already kind of making silly mistakes. Alright. 19 -1, 47. Okay, let's run it one more time. Go submit. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Let me know how you did, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.